So Nicholas Fagese reporting, good afternoon, Memphis City Council and Facebook friends and fans from around the world. I would like to give a corporate appreciation for the European nobility, political elite, and global citizens for supporting Tennessee Young Republican Nicholas Fagese for documenting President Barack Obama here in the great state of Tennessee. Nicholas Fagese reporting, promoting the United States of America as a CNN icon of Memphis and a young Republican. CNN icon. So Nicholas Fagese reporting, good afternoon once again, and happy Tuesday to the Memphis City Council. And I would like to give a corporate appreciation to all of my friends on Facebook regarding me as a young Republican standing twice behind President Barack Obama here in the great state of Tennessee. So Nicholas Fagese reporting, so many people were so inspired by me for standing twice behind the President of the United States here in the great state of Tennessee. This is regarding the European nobility, political elite, and global citizens supporting Tennessee Young Republican Nicholas Fagese standing twice behind President Barack Obama. Right now currently has 4 supporters from around the world. A corporate appreciation. CNN icon of Memphis. Office of the Archdiocese of New York.
It is. How may I help you?
Yeah, I have a question. I'm a journalist myself. I'm a CNN journalist here in Memphis, Tennessee, and no one can really direct me to the right institutions to, I don't think we have the right institutions to understand the significance of this, but I have a document from Pope Benedict XVI. In fact, I believe he signed his name on this greeting. And I was wondering, does everything the Pope signs, is it authentic? Does he just sign it himself? Or does someone...
Sorry, what is your question now?
Does everything that has the Pope's signature, is it authentic? Did the Pope actually sign this document?
If it's signed by the Pope, it's signed by the Pope.
Okay, so no one signs on his behalf or anything like that?
Not that I'm aware of. I mean, you would have to call the Vatican, the media relations office.
Okay.
If you really want that, yeah.
So basically, if it's signed by the Pope actually signed it. If it has his name, Benedict.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, well, thank you, and have a blessed day.
You too.
Thanks.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.